How is reaction time measured in sprint block starts? Imagine hearing the gunshot and instantly reacting to explode off the blocks. That split second between the sound and your movement can make all the difference in a race. Reaction time in sprint starts is measured by figuring out how long it takes for an athlete to respond to the starting signal, which is usually a loud gunshot or beep. The key is to detect when the athlete first begins to push or move on the blocks after hearing the cue. The most accurate way to do this involves special starting blocks equipped with force sensors. These sensors can detect even tiny changes in force applied by the athlete's hands and feet. When the starting gun fires, the sensors record the exact moment when the athlete begins to push off the blocks. The reaction time is then calculated as the time between the sound and this initial force increase. There are two main methods used to measure reaction time. The first involves force plate sensors built into the starting blocks. These measure the force exerted by the athlete's hands and feet. When the signal sounds, the system records the moment when a significant force change happens, indicating the start of movement. This method provides detailed data about how and when the athlete pushes off. The second method uses force plates placed under the athlete's hands. These can sometimes detect the first movement slightly earlier because hand movement often starts before the feet push off. Both systems are synchronized with the start signal to ensure the timing is precise. Reaction times under 100 milliseconds are considered extremely fast. If an athlete reacts faster than that, it might be flagged as a false start because it's believed to be physically impossible to react that quickly to an auditory cue. Sometimes, surface electromyography, or electromyography for short, is used. This measures electrical activity in muscles to see exactly when muscles activate. While this is more common in research, it can give even more detailed reaction time data. Using instrumented starting blocks helps coaches and athletes by providing real-time feedback. They can see how quickly an athlete responds and how force is applied during the start. This information helps improve technique, like timing the push-off better or balancing first between legs. In short, reaction time in sprint starts is measured by recording the time between the starting signal and the athlete's first forceful movement on the blocks. This is mainly done with force sensors embedded in the starting blocks or hand plates. Accurate measurement helps athletes get faster and more consistent in their starts, which can boost overall sprint performance.